You ever wonder why so many men today feel tired, anxious, and disconnected, like their body and mind just aren't the same anymore? We blame stress. We blame work. But what if something deeper is happening? Something silently draining men's strength, drive, and even their ability to have children. Doctors are finally speaking up, and what they're revealing might change how you see your health, your habits, and your future. Let's start with the truth most men never hear. It's happening quietly, but fast. Male infertility rates are plummeting. Testosterone levels are dropping lower than any generation before. And yet, no one's really talking about it. Every day, millions of men wake up feeling exhausted, unmotivated, disconnected from their partners, wondering, what's wrong with me? But the real crisis isn't just physical, it's emotional. It's a shame of not feeling man enough. Doctors call it a silent epidemic. In just 40 years, average sperm counts have fallen by more than 50%. That means half the potential for fatherhood gone. But here's the truth. This isn't about weakness. It's about pressure. The pressure to perform, to succeed, to hide your pain behind a strong face. What if the modern world is attacking the very biology that defines us? Work stress, processed food, lack of sleep, constant anxiety. Together, they form a perfect storm that leaves men disconnected from their natural balance. And it's not just about having kids. It's about losing vitality, confidence, and inner peace. But here's the light in the darkness. Once you understand what's causing it, you can begin to reverse IT starts small. A bad night's sleep, a tough day at work. Then suddenly, stress isn't just in your mind, it's in your blood. Chronic stress floods your system with cortisol, the hormone that kills testosterone. You feel tired, moody, and disconnected. You might even think, I'm just getting older. But what if aging isn't the real reason? What if it's stress? Your brain and your reproductive system are deeply linked. When the brain senses danger, real or imagined, it shuts down everything non-essential, including fertility. That means constant mental tension literally tells your body, now's not the time to create life. But here's where it gets hopeful. Your body can recover. When you calm the mind, hormones begin to rebalance. Meditation, breath work, even daily walks can lower cortisol by up to 30%. That it's not about being zen. It's about giving your biology a chance to breathe. Because when your mind relaxes, your body remembers how to heal. Every bite we take, every sip we drink, it all adds up. Plastics, pesticides, and processed foods are filled with hormone disruptors that mimic estrogen and confuse your body signals. Doctors have found chemicals like BPA and phthalates linked directly to low sperm counts. Even the air we breathe carries traces of toxins that slow testosterone production. You might think, but I eat healthy. The problem is modern healthy often isn't. Even bottled water, fast food wrappers, and canned goods release chemicals that quietly sabotage your system. The result? Brain fog, weight gain, low libido, and yes, trouble conceiving. But the fix doesn't have to be extreme. Switching to glass bottles, eating more whole, organic foods, avoiding microwaving and plastic. These small shifts can detox your hormones naturally over time. That it's not about perfection. It's about awareness, because the more you know, the more you heal. But what if the real block isn't in your body, but in your mind? Here's something powerful. Your emotional health is your hormonal health. Anxiety, depression, self-doubt, they don't just live in your mind. They echo through your entire body. When you suppress pain or avoid feelings, your body pays the price. It's why men under chronic mental stress often experience hormonal imbalances, erectile issues, or infertility, because emotional blockages create physical resistance. But here's the paradox. Most men were never taught to feel, but we were told to be strong, to man up. So emotions build up quietly until the body begins to scream. Therapists are now calling this emotional infertility, the inability to express, connect, and release, leading to real biological consequences. Healing begins when you stop fighting your feelings. Talking helps. Journaling helps. Even a single act of vulnerability can trigger deep chemical shifts in the brain. Because peace isn't found by hiding pain, it's found by facing it. And when doctors looked deeper, they discovered just how connected everything when fertility specialists began comparing modern men's health to previous generations. The results were shocking. Testosterone levels have fallen nearly 1% per year since the 1980s. And it's not just genetics, it's lifestyle, stress, and environment. Doctors now call it a multi-system burnout. Poor diet, lack of sleep, endless screen time, and mental overload are resetting male biology in dangerous ways. But here's the good news. The body is adaptable. Once men begin managing stress, eating clean, sleeping deeply, and reconnecting emotionally, fertility rates improve. Some studies show sperm quality doubling within months of lifestyle change. This isn't about fear, it's about hope. You have more control over your hormones and fertility than you think. And that control begins with the simplest daily choices. Healing starts small. Drink more water. Sleep earlier. Move your body. These simple actions signal safety to your nervous system. Try adding zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D, nutrients proven to support testosterone and sperm health. But the biggest shift isn't physical, it's mental. Believe that your body can change. Because when you stop seeing yourself as broken, you start seeing yourself as healing. Consistency creates transformation. Point one mindful meal. One honest conversation. One quiet breath. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. And when you do, you redefine what being a man really means. Real masculinity isn't about how much you can lift, that it's about how deeply you can feel and how bravely you can heal. The world taught men to hide pain, not to face it. But the new generation is rewriting that story. Men are opening up, talking about mental health, learning to nurture instead of numb. True strength isn't control. It's awareness that it's saying, I need rest. It's admitting, I'm struggling, and still choosing to grow. This is what creates better fathers, partners, and human beings. Because when men heal, the world heals. Let's talk about how you can keep growing. Your healing matters. Your story matters. Every step toward balance, mental or physical, creates a ripple of strength that, if this message resonates, take a moment, like, share, and subscribe. Let's build a community where men talk, heal, and grow together. Because real wellness starts with awareness and never ends.